Hi everyone, so I'm here making some cuts. And I'm going to be turning this into a tool rack to stick shovels and other things in these holes, and it's going to be elevated. But as I'm doing this, I noticed that this bit here is cutting out these holes, but what you guys need to do with this is this here needs to be fat in the inside and skinny as it comes out. That way the wood won't get stuck in there, because as you cut down, it will get thicker and thicker inside. It'll cut a hole inside of this and it won't get jammed. So that's something that you guys could do for everyone, please.